On the other side of the street I knew stood a girl that looked like you. I guess that's deja vu, but I thought this can't be true, cause you moved to West LA or New York or Santa Fe or wherever to get away from me. Oh, but that one night was more than just right. I didn't leave you, cause I was all through. Oh, I was overwhelmed and frankly scared as hell, because I really fell for you.
Hi, I'm Maljon from Mexico.
Hello, I'm Levin from the city of San Fernando.
Hi, I'm Jadon from Santa Ana.
Hi, I'm Michael from Cachaba.
Hi, I'm CJ from Bagua.
I'm Patrick from Floridablanca.
Hi, I'm Taipan from Lubao.
Hello, I'm Felix from Mapay.
Hi, I'm Joven from Masakon.
Hi, Alexis from Mabalacat City.
Hi, I'm Mark from the city of San Fernando.
Hello, I'm Dexter from Bacolod.
Please do watch
Our grand finals on
This coming
December 21,
Saturday,
7 p.m.
at the Brent Zigyao Convention Center
in the heart of San Fernando.
See you there!
This is Mr. Papa.